Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video showing you guys how to make your own DIY, another DIY video. If you guys haven't watched my other DIY video, I showed you guys how to make your own lip scrub and body scrub. If you haven't seen that, I would suggest you guys go check it out. But in today's DIY video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own protein hair mask. So for those of you who don't know what a protein hair mask is, protein is very important for your hair because protein helps prevent shedding, decrease breakage, and if your hair is continuing to break, it's not going to grow. So I've been noticing a lot lately that my hair has been very dry and also it's been shedding a lot. So I have been using this hair mask I'm going to show you guys how to make for many years, and it works really well on my hair, and the next day I already see results. My hair is just back to life. So I think I've been just doing a little bit too much moisture and not enough protein. So you need to find that balance. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make it and how I apply it and the whole process. So if you guys want to see that, then keep watching. Alright guys, so I have the mask here, and so I'm just going to be sectioning my hair off into about 2 sections. If you want to do more, you can, but I'm just going to get rid of the front section, getting rid of the front section of my hair to get it out of the way, and then I'm going to split the back into 2 sections. Put this side up and away, and up, and I'm going to get a towel because this is going to get messy. So just put the towel around your neck and then get the bowl and then begin to apply. I don't know why I'm saying that, but okay. Begin to apply the towel. Taking it in my hand. It's very watery, so that's why you're going to need a towel. And just apply it. Make sure you get the ends, okay guys? The ends are going to be the most fragile part. It's the most fragile part of your hair, and that's the part that needs the most help out of everything. So I'm using a lot because 1, my hair is thick, and 2, I have a lot of product in this bowl, and whenever I do this, I always have extra left over, so that's why. But yeah, this is pretty simple. You don't have to go too crazy. It's nothing difficult. But yeah, this is just what I'm going to be doing. So that side is done. And I'm going to do this side. But basically applied all of it into my hair. I'm just gonna try to get the rest of it out of the bowl. It doesn't smell that good because you know you're putting an egg in your hair and then I added mayonnaise. So it doesn't smell the greatest, but you're rinsing it out and you're gonna shampoo it out so it's okay. So what I'm doing is, I don't know what that was, I think it was a horn. But yeah, you're just gonna put it up into a bun. And then you're gonna put a plastic cap over your head and leave it in for 15 to 20 minutes. I don't leave protein treatments in my hair for an hour to 2 hours because one time I slept overnight with a protein treatment in my hair. Then the next day I really noticed that my hair had way too much protein in it. So I don't want to give my hair a protein overload because too much protein is bad for your hair, as well as too much moisture can even be bad for your hair. So you really need to find that balance like I mentioned in the beginning of the video. So right now I'm just going to get a plastic cap to put over my head and I'm going to leave this in my hair for 15 to 20 minutes. So after you've left this in for 20 minutes, you're going to go and follow up with a shampoo. So rinse it out, shampoo your hair. So then after that, make sure that you use a moisturizing deep conditioner. So today when I rinse this out and shampoo it out, I'm gonna go in with the Aussie 3-minute Miracle Moist. Okay, it says you're supposed to use it for 3 minutes. You can use it for 3 minutes. I've done that before, and you can use this for up to an hour, 2 hours, for as long as you usually deep condition. You can use this for. So yeah, do that. Make sure you do that. The reason why you want to follow up with a moisturizing deep conditioner is because, like I said, protein treatments are very strong. And sometimes too much protein can be not too good for your hair. And just using this by myself and following up with my styler, sometimes I notice that my hair, it just feels a little too dry. So I like to just balance it off so that I can have a nice finished result. So for me, what works best for me is just following up with a deep conditioner after I shampoo and rinse this out. So that's what I'm going to go do now and style as usual. So I'm not going to show you guys me styling my hair because I have 2 other videos on my channel, my curly hair routine, and also I did a 1-product wash and go, so you guys can kind of already get the gist of how I style my hair. But an upcoming video that I'm going to film today is another curly hair routine video. So stay tuned for that. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you like this in the comments. If you've tried something similar in the comments, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.